Thank you, Honourable Speaker, sir, and I thank the Honourable Dr. Salik Govind for the question. Honourable Speaker, sir, to successfully manage natural resources similar by agencies responsible for the sustainable use of natural resources, science is very important. For fisheries management, a science-based approach includes undertaking high-quality observation, research and analysis to fully understand the status and the dynamic of fish population in their respective habitats. The exponential population growth coupled with factors all-encompassing to increase in fishing effort, pollution, foreshore development and destructive fishing practices pose threat to coastal ecosystem. Honourable Speaker, sir, we need to always be ahead of the threats. Undertaking scientific research is critical to that. Science allows managers and practitioners to identify problems associated with human efforts. More importantly, scientific help to provide indicative levels that support the basis of introducing management measures aimed at sustainability. Honourable Speaker, sir, that is why the Ministry of Fisheries is beefing up efforts to build a robust academic institution, NGOs and external partners who will together achieve a robust scientific platform that helps us sustain fisheries resources better. I thank you, Honourable Speaker, sir.
Thank you, Honourable.